Hi all. This video is about a paper called Proctor. This is one of the best paper awarded in NIPS 2022. So we will see what this paper is about briefly. So we know that for a successful computer vision model, a computer vision task or NLP task, we require massive data sets and high capacity models. That's what we see in the success of the Chat GPT. Similar to those kind of task building, like natural language understanding, we need certain high amount of data sets and capacity models in order to build successful stories in an embodied AI. So this paper is about to propose virtual procedural generated framework for building an interactive environment called Proctor. So by building this highly interactive uh, environment through a procedural generations, it could build a large data sets of diverse, customizable, and virtual environment, which can be very interactive to train and evaluate embodied agents uh, for a variety of tasks like navigations, interactions, and manipulations. So this paper they have demonstrated this potential of this highly diverse interactive virtual environment called Proctor, and could be able to generate through a procedural framework a sample of 10,000 houses. Um, those generated data has later been utilized to train a simple neural network model, giving only input of RGB images, which is been out from the Proctor environment. And they could be able to achieve this build this embodied AI framework for six different benchmark tasks based on navigations, rearrangement, and manipulations. So this simulation environment to build an interactive, diverse framework for pre-training that neural network model, so that this pre-trained model could able to solve a different varieties of tasks, demonstrate a different variety of tasks with not necessary to do the fine tuning for each and every task. That means it has a strong zero shot results for a different benchmark task. So it means that there is no fine tuning is required while doing the benchmark task for each and every task like navigations, um, and manipulations task are something customizable creativity tasks. So it doesn't require downstream of training data. Only the pre-training itself will be sufficient enough to build that neural network model, which could be able to generate in different tasks. That is the that is mean that it can able to build a strong embodied AI. So hopefully we'll see how this Proctor is developed based on the previous framework like Habitat and AI Tutor in the forthcoming videos. Thank you.